चलो सबको क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. देखो, so that the points are collinear, we have to prove they are collinear. Find करो with the help of distance. We have to find. So 3 points lying on the same line, they are called collinear. So the coordinates are given 1, -1, 5, 2, and C is 9, 5. So to prove collinear, आपको क्या करने का? सेपरेटली यू हैव टू डू ए बी डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने का, बी सी डिस्टेंस फाइंड करो एंड ए सी डिस्टेंस फाइंड करो. If this condition is satisfying, AB plus BC is equal to AC, then we can say they're collinear. Janvi, when you're finding distances, AB ka, always try to take the coordinates like this here. 1, -1 and B ka 5, 2. And kya
Yes.
karega? You try to write x1, y1, x2,
Yeah.
y2. Then only
Yes.
you will not do mistake. Otherwise mistake ho jayega.
Sir, it's collinear.
How much you got distances?
5 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter.
5 minutes. Yes. Akash, you also got? Yeah. Bhavani got? सब लोग आया ना? तो ए बी का डिस्टेंस, बी सी का डिस्टेंस, ए सी का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करो. दिस विल गेट एस 5, दिस इज 5 एंड दिस इज 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Therefore, they are collinear. Okay. चलो next one. Show that the 4 points are the vertices of a rectangle and find the area. So rectangle का properties मालूम है ना आपको? Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Got it? All distances A B B serial order में लिखने का है. Some people what the people write like this A B C D. ऐसा नहीं. Serial order में लिखो. Then only you'll get. And try to find the diagonals also. So opposite sides should be equal and diagonals also equal. Then it is rectangle.
Sir, is the area 20
Ah.
root 5?
Area will be
20 root 5.
no.
Sir, is it 40
Sir,
root
it is
5?
40.
40. Yes. 40 is the answer. Distance में Hasik, how much you got sides में? 4 root 5, 4 root 5, 2 root 5 ऐसा
Sir,
है.
I messed up. I messed up C and D.
हाँ, C
Right,
and D.
next.
हाँ. And minus भी आने समय very careful रहने का always. So that's why always when you're substituting, you try to write x1 y1, x2 y2. And here when you're subtracting, sometimes minus of minus plus भी करना पड़ेगा. ब्रैकेट लगा के सॉल्व करो. अभिराम हो गया रेक्टेंगल का?
I'm doing, sir.
हाँ करो. डिस्टेंस से पेशेंस से करने का. That's understood how to do. Distance we have to find. Opposite sides are equal बोल के we have to prove. And diagonal का distance also we have to find. They're equal means then only it is rectangle. If not
Sir,
equal means not tell me.
sir, we have to find the distance of the diagonals at AC and BD only.
AC and BD. Yeah.
Okay.
Then only it will, because if the opposite sides are equal, we can say parallelogram also, right? Only if the diagonals are equal, then only rectangle. Not equal means parallelogram. Okay. ठीक है, वो मॉडल आपको आता है ना, करो. नेक्स्ट. Points A -1 comma y and B 5,7 lie on the circle. Which center is 1? So center का coordinate is given 2, -3y, and 2 points are lying on the circle. A point is -1, y, and B point is 5,7. He is saying to find the value of A and find the radius of the circle. Okay. OA is the radius only. OB is also radius only. Since radius are equal, दोनों distance equate करो. So you have to tell OA is equal to OB. Now solve करो. Distance formula use करके solve करो. We'll get the value of pi. So OA is radius. This is also radius. That's why radius are equal. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So under root x2 minus, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus of minus plus 3y whole square is equal to under root OB is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus 7 minus of minus plus 3y whole square. So since root दोनों cancel कर लो and solve करो and find the value of y.
Sir, we have a question. You have to like split the terms in the middle.
अगर डिग्री 2 आए तो स्प्लिटिंग करने का कितना है इसका -3 होल स्क्वायर इज 9 प्लस 4y होल स्क्वायर इज 16y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 plus this is y only or y comma okay here a square plus b square plus 2ab 14 3 is 42y. Now bring all one side and solve. You'll get a degree 2 and splitting middle term you'll get a quadratic equation. Answer कितना है y का?
So I got 7 and 1 minus 1.
Yes, and therefore radius will be, you have to find radius also, right? So 2 radiuses आएगा आपको, मतलब points are changing, right? So उसके accordingly radius will be coming. So x equal to y is equal to -1 ले लो एक केस में, एक y equal to 7 ले लो and solve and find the radius, distance find करो. Hasika got degree 2 equation आया?
Yes, sir. I got y is equal to -1 and -1.
Yes.
Sir, I got two answers.
Yeah, 2 answers to me.
One is root 793 and the other one is 5.
Yes, correct. आया चलो degree 2 expression आया, splitting किया ना?
I got 7 and -1.
Now इसमें substitute करो. So what are 2 points? -1 comma y के जगह में -1. This is a. Now वो will be 2 comma -1 लगाए तो minus of minus plus 3 2 comma 3. इन दोनों को डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने का, you'll get radius. Similarly y again 7 लगाओ -1 comma 7 and वो के जगह में 7 लगाओ 2 comma -21. For this one we will find the radius, we will find distance, we'll get radius. So 2 answers we'll get. Okay, so answer is one is 5, one is under root 793, right? That exercise 7.1 is a homework for you. Next class तक सबमिट करो ना, आप लोग 7.1 is a homework for you सब लोग का. नेक्स्ट सबमिट करो, कंपल्सरी चेक करूंगा एक एक का. Because we जल्दी हो गए तो we have to start with a nice chapter. Trigonometry you have to start nicely. So we will go forward. That is an excellent chapter. Okay, चलो. Next last question. We'll go for new topic. जल्दी करो. A, B and C are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Angle at B is 90. So diagram draw कर लो. So B is the angle 90 degrees. So here A, C. A का coordinate is 5, 2 and B का coordinate is 2, -2 and C is -2, T. This is right angle triangle. He's telling to find the value of T. A T का value कितना है? So since it is right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So क्या है? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So since square is there, under root लगने की जरूरत नहीं है, because under root get cancel, right? So AC का distance find करो, AB का distance find करो and BC का distance find करो, substitute. You'll get the value of T. AC का कितना होगा? x2 minus x1 whole square. So -2 -5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So T -2 whole square is equal to AB square means 2 minus 5 whole square plus -2 -2 whole square plus BC square means -2 -2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. t माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर। सॉल्व करो। रूट गेट कैंसिल, रूट गेट स्क्वायर है ना, स्क्वायर का रूट गेट कैंसिल। हाउ मच यू गॉट विराज? Got a Viraj? Okay. Expand, solve, we'll get the equation.
The t value I got 3.
T value is
3.
3, no?
So T1.
Yes, 1. Very good. That only I want. Rank 1. Akash आया?
Sir is T1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm. You got nothing? You identified mistake?
I'm finding.
Finding. So 49 plus a square plus b square minus 40 is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus a square plus b square plus 40. So t square cancel. 40. Now bring all one side and get the will not get a chord equation, directly will cancel जाएगा। और सब mistake किया है। करो, आइडेंटिफाई करो कुछ। -2 -5 whole square plus t -2 whole square ab square 2 -5 whole square plus -2 -2 whole square, this one -2 minus bc square is -2 -2 whole square plus t -2। अब bring all one से t वैल्यू आ जाएगा। करो विराज, यू गॉट? क्या मिस्टेक किया? यू आर गेटिंग क्वाड इक्वेशन।
Yes.
दोनों कैंसिल हो जा रहा है, टी स्क्वायर इज गेटिंग कैंसिल, राइट? और बचा है कुछ, तो कितना होगा?
For me, everything is getting cancelled.
So 49 plus 4 is
The
how much?
numbers are also getting cancelled.
53
It's a
minus
minus
40 is equal to 25 plus 20, 45 plus 40, right? 25 plus 20, 45 plus 40. So bring all one side, this side. So 53 minus 45 is how much? 53 minus 45, 8, 8 is equal to 16t. T wrong आ रहा है, something mistake.
No, sir, it's not 16t. 8t.
80, correct. T is equal to 1, खत्म. There is no coordination, nothing. पूरा कैंसिल हो गया ना, डिग्री तो नहीं कुछ नहीं। गॉट सब लोग का? चलो, now we'll go for a new topic this will be useful for the second exercise. Got Amanya this one? ठीक है, yes. चलो, new one is section formula. देखो, section formula. जाने अच्छे से लिसन करो, एग्जाम है. Saturday Sunday I thought to take class, you will not see anything, you will not look any WhatsApp में, because हम class है बोल के. For your purpose only I thought ठीक है Monday exam है बोल के, ठीक है. Section formula देखो, suppose मान लो you have line segment A and B. इसका coordinates are given as x1, y1. इसका coordinates are x2, y2. Okay, this is line segment, points are given. Suppose if I put a point P, which is not a midpoint, P can be anywhere. That P coordinates are dividing the line segment in the ratio m is to n. M is to n. See, line segment is there. One point P, its coordinates are x, y. This point P is dividing the line segment in the ratio m is to n. It can be 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 3 is to 3, anything. Okay. At that time, that's why it's called section formula. It is dividing 2 points, right? Section formula. At that time, we will tell you to find the coordinates x, y. Okay. इसका coordinates चाहिए. So formula है, learn करने का. Formula क्या है? m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. This is a formula to learn. This is called section formula. Whenever we have to use section formula, when a point P is dividing in the ratio m is to n, उसका coordinates बोले तो ये वाला. And when these two coordinates will be equal, when x coordinate will be equal to this one, when y coordinate equal to this one, then all these two coordinates are equal. Suppose you got a x comma y is equal to 2 by 3. That means x value is how much, y is how much? X is how much, y is how much? X is 2, y is 3. Right? Whenever these two coordinates are equal means x is this one, y is this one. Then only these two coordinates are equal. Okay. So formula बैठ करो, section formula very important formula बैठ करो. पहले पूरा x में रहने का, then पूरा y में. So m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. बैठ करो, लस्क section formula. आगे जान में हो गया. m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. बोलो जरा में. कोऑर्डिनेट्स p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए. चल में x comma y is equal to
The formula
फॉर्मूला
mx2 plus
Plus
nx1
by
divided m plus n,
n. देखो both are m plus n on bottom में, comma
and then my2 plus
plus
n1
by
m plus n.
आता है सिद्धार्थ, आता है? बोलो फॉर्मूला बोलो सिद्धार्थ. You're there, Siddharth? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
On the video, why you're laughing? How many times I should say? Always laughing in the video. Formula.
Xy is equal to
X comma y
mx2.
equal to the
X-
point P का coordinates.
Yes.
Is equal
X
to
comma y equal to mx
2
2
mx2 plus nx1,
nx1 by m plus n,
comma
comma mx 1
x
plus
तो हो गया, y you should say
m by 2 plus
plus
n by 1
by
by m plus n.
बावन ट्राई करो.
So xy formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n.
First ascending order m ही आएगा ना, that's why m first then n, and here pull x and this is y. Okay, suppose if point P is midpoint, tell me what is the ratio of this one and this one. If point P is midpoint, what is the
One.
ratio here? 1:1. Now m के जगह में 1 लगाओ, n के जगह में 1 लगाओ. So what is the answer? X comma y will be. So like I can write like this: x1 plus x2 by 1 plus 1 is 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. See, whenever they says P is a midpoint, you have to use like average x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Very important formula. लिखो चलिए. ना? Okay. Suppose in the question में they'll give this coordinates and P का coordinates. They'll tell to find the ratio. So what you'll do? Okay, ना?
AP and PB.
Huh?
AP and PB.
See, they'll give A coordinate will be given to you, B coordinate will be given, and point P coordinates also given. We have to find ratio. So what you'll do? मतलब ratio means m is to n only we have to find. So we'll substitute in this formula, right? इसमें formula substitute करेगा and equate करेगा. But वो long method है. Shortcut है, वही follow करने का. Very important one. इस one exam में आएगा. Whenever in the question में he will tell to find ratio. आपको क्या करने का? देखो. Finally we have to find m is to n, right? This one you have to find, right? Ratio means find ratio. I can write like this. देखो. M by n is to 1. I can write. Both are same only. M and n is 1. M by n को I can take some constant k. K is to 1. That means whenever they say find ratio, you simply take k is to 1 always. K is to 1 you should take. The ratio is k is to 1 and normal procedure में करने का. That means what to take? देखो A, B, P will be given to you coordinates. Here k is to 1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is x, y. Same formula. K x2 plus n के जगह में 1 है ना, 1 x1 by k plus 1, comma k y2 plus 1 है ना, 1 y1 by k plus 1, and is equal to this one coordinate. And equate this one equal this one and this one equal this one, you will get the value of k ratio. Suppose k value you got as 2 by 3. What is the ratio of m is to n? M is to n is how much? K is nothing but m by n, right? M is to n only. So m is to n ratio is 2 by 3 only. So question में whenever they says to find ratio, always take k is to 1. Very important. लिखो. Copy down. Find ratio means simply take k is to 1. Always. Don't take m by, people will take m by s to n, again substitute करेगा, equate करेगा, बहुत lengthy हो जाएगा. This shortcut. क्वेश्चंस करने से ना समझ में आएगा और भी क्लैरिटी.
Sir,
Tell me.
I actually did not understand
देखो,
about the K.
Find the ratio means what we have to find? Tell me in the question में. What is the
M
ratio
is to
means?
n.
M is to n we have to find, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you do is, this is one we have to find, right? M is to 1, M is to n we have to find, right? So what I've done is, I brought this n downwards. M is to n is to 1, I can write both the same. Now M is to n को I called one constant k. Okay. So that means indirectly whenever he's told to find ratio, you have to find k is to 1. Okay. Now k/1 में you substitute in the formula में. So how will you substitute? Tell me. X comma y is equal to kx2 plus 1 into x1 is 1x1 by k plus 1, comma ky2 plus 1 into y1 is y1 by k plus 1. And we equate, we'll get the value of k. K is nothing but a mixed one. Question के through you'll understand. समझ में आएगा. Okay. Copy it, all of them. k/1. Okay. Suppose मान लो, if they given trisection, what is meaning of trisection means? Tell me. Name itself indicating trisection means. Tri means 3, right? 3 sections we have to divide. We have to divide this line segment into 3 segments. How many points I have to put in between so that it will divide into 3 line segments? How many points I have to put so that the line will be divided into 3 parts? Tell me. Anybody? AB ko A is the 1 point, B is the 1 point. If I put 1 point C or P, now it is dividing to how many parts? 1 and 2 only. But I want trisection. 3 equal parts होने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगे? 2 points I will put. P, Q. Okay. Trisection means always remember we have to put 2 points between them. I can call this is x3, y3, x4, y4. Okay. So in questions mein what they will do, they will tell to find the trisection points. Okay. So how to find? AB coordinates will be given to you. 2 points we are putting, P is to Q, right? But we don't know ratio, right? Ratio, tell me. Now P is dividing the line segment in the ratio. How much? Tell me. This side is how much? 1 segment. This side is 2, right? So 1:2 we have to find for finding the P value. Okay. So आपको क्या करने का P value find करने के लिए? To get P, what we have to do? Draw the line segment. These are applications of section formula only. Only one formula. Section formula application only we are doing. Okay. So A, B and P, and dividing the ratios what? 1:2. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And P value will be x3, y3. We can find by using the section formula, right? Because you know the ratio, you know this formula, you can find x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay. Similarly, Q का कैसा आएगा? Q divides the line segment in the ratio. This left side is how many segments? 1 and 2. So 2:2. How many segment here? 1. So again you have to apply section formula separately to find Q. A, B, Q is x4, y4, x1, y1, x2, y2. In the ratio 2:1. So indirectly, whenever they ask trisection, you have to find separately P and Q का coordinates. So tri means 3 sections, 3 equal sections. So we have to place 2 points such a way that now divide into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And we know the ratio also. This side is 1, this side is 2 because 1 and 2. And Q divides the line segment in the ratio. This side is 2, this side is 1, 2:1. So separately calculate section formula, will get the answer. P and Q का. समझ में आ रहा है? Viraj understood वाला section formula. So we will do the questions now. एक question समझेंगे, समझ में आएगा. So always diagram is important. Whenever they say line segment joining the point means you draw the line segment point and use the formula. Section formula आता है ना, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. ऐसा. चलो करो. एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे, समझ में आएगा. हाँ करो. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. So they given the line segment points are given to you. A is 6,3, B is -4,5. And the point P is dividing the ratio 3:2. मतलब m and n value, m is 3, n is 2. Right? He's telling to find the coordinates of the point P. So I can take coordinates as x, y. We know the formula, substitute and get the answer. Simple. So always write the formula every time. X,
Sir,
y.
by using X and using Y,
Ah.
will we get two different answers or the same answer?
X and Y same answer will get.
Oh.
Same answer means
So
coordinates
like
will be different.
mx2 plus x1
Ah.
and then using my2 plus y1.
No,
We
different
can use
answers.
one of them, no?
Different, yeah. Same,
Different answer.
yeah. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma, m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So use the formula x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute in the formula. And final answer जो भी आया, that is x is that one, y is that one. That is the coordinates of point P.
Zero comma 16 by 5.
Wrong. So that's find the formula. Substitute करो. M is 3, N is 2. Substitute in the equation.
Zero and 21 by 5.
Yes, 0 and 121 by 5. So x comma y is equal to mx2. This is m, this is n. 3 into x2 is minus 4. So minus 12 plus nx1. 2 into x1 is 18 by m plus n is 5. Comma my2. My2 is 15 plus ny1. So 2 into 3, 6 by 5. Okay. This is a mistake here. 3 into mx2 minus 12
Sir, it's
and
minus
ny1.
3 into minus 4 plus 2 into 6.
2 into x1 is 18.
Yeah.
12, right? So 0. So 0 comma 21 by 5. This is the answer. Yeah? Same formula, section formula. mx2 plus. So whenever question comes, write the line, draw the line segment, point P, whichever they ask, the section formula you have to use. Chalo karo. Find the coordinates of the points that trisect the line segment. I told it, trisection. So matlab P and Q we have to find. So they given the line segment A, B, 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 4. He's telling to find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. Trisection means I told you I have to put 2 points P and Q. And ratio also you know P का ratio कितना होगा? इस तरफ how many segment? 1 segment. इस तरफ कितना है? 1, 2. So 1 is to 2. And Q का कितना है? इस तरफ वाला 1, 2 segments. And this तरफ वाला segment is only 1 segment, right? 2 is to 1. मतलब separately you have to apply section formula to find the coordinates of point P and point Q. So मतलब you have to apply this one. A, B, 1 comma minus 2. B is minus 3 comma 4. And take point P. You know the ratio 1 is to 2. Okay, you have to find the value of x comma y for P ka. And by using section formula. Again same thing diagram draw करके Q का भी find करेंगे. Q का and the ratio कितना है? 2 is to 1. This is 1 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma 4. Now solve and find the value of P and Q.
Sir,
What answer you got?
P is minus 1 by 2 and 0.
No, wrong. .
Sorry, sir. -1/3 and 0.
-1/3, 0 and
That's P. Q I'm finding.
fine करो.
Sir, Q is -5/3 and 2.
Yeah, let them do.
Okay.
Sir,
How much?
the first trisection is -1/3, 0, right?
Yes, yeah. Siddharth, बोलो. First answer आया सिद्धार्थ? You got first answer? तक हुआ. हंस के आया first answer?
Yes, sir. -1/3 and 0.
Okay. Second one करो. Formula use करो सिद्धार्थ. X, y is equal to mx2 mx2 plus nx1 2 by m plus n3 comma my2, so 4 plus ny1, so it is -4 by 3, so it is
Sir,
huh?
is Q -5/3 and 2?
Yes, 5 minus 5 by 3 and 2. सबको आया?
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट करो. In what ratio does the x-axis divides the join of this much, and also find the coordinates of the point of intersection? See what is saying? This x-axis, this y-axis, right? So my 2, -3 means किधर है? 2, -3 means here, and दूसरा 5, 6. 5, 6 is 5, 6 somewhere here, right? 5, 6. 2, -3. This is A, this is B. 5, 6. See, A 2, -3, right?
Sir, 82 ulta.
No, cut down. देखो, divide the line joining. A of 2, 3, right? 2, -3 lies in here. 2, -3 lies here, right? X-axis में 2 and -3. And B of 5, 6. Okay. If I join a line AB ka, it is dividing the line segment, right? He's telling find the ratio. He's telling. I told you, whenever they tell to find the ratio, what you have to take? Tell me. Whenever they tell to find the ratio, K is to 1 length. So the line segment dividing the x-axis is K is to 1, and the x-axis point will be x, 0, right? Now divide. Now find the x value and K value find karo. Then only we can find the point of intersection. Points also will get. So ratio, the point P ka, coordinates, right? This is a line segment. Point P, K is to 1. So use karo. So x, 0 is equal to mx2 wala. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. mx2. So K x2 is 5, 5k plus nx1. So 1 into 2 is 2 by m plus n is k plus 1, comma m y2, k into y2 is 6k plus n y1, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 by k plus 1. These are coordinates of the point P. Okay. Now I told you when these two coordinates will be equal, when this one equal to this one and this one equal to this one. For us, 0 is easy, right? For us to find k value, 0 is easy. Equate y. So 0 is equal to k 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. So इधर आए तो 0 k minus 6k minus 3 equal 0. So k is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So ratio, m:2 ratio you got as 1:2. ये shortcut method है. Whenever they tell to find ratio, always find k:1. Put the k:1 and k, find the value of k. Okay, after getting the value of k, if I substitute, you will get the value of x. Substitute करो. X is equal to how much? X equal to this coordinate, right? 5k plus 2 by k plus 1. So कितना होगा? 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So कितना? 9 by 2 by 3 by 2. So the point is, therefore the point P is 3, 0. These are coordinates. आया? This answer. So सेक्शन फॉर्मूला का फर्दर कंटिन्यू करेंगे, बट आपको क्या करने का होमवर्क क्या है? फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज होमवर्क. अभिराम होमवर्क समझ में आया ना? भवानी, आकर्ष, मान्या, सबको समझ में आया? होमवर्क इज फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री.